it's my birthday. I'm so excited for my birthday. I'm always excited for my birthday. I'm very happy and blessed to see another year. Today I'm getting ready, obviously. My husband went to go get my birthday cake. This is like a thing that we do. I don't care what I do. I could just do nothing, but I have to have my birthday cake, my strawberry shortcake. I used to get it at Loblaws back in Ontario, but like now Safeway makes it just as good, if not better. To be honest, I think what makes Safeway's taste better is that they decorate it better, versus Loblaws just, you know, puts like the little strawberries around. But either way, they both taste really good. Alright, so it's the next day after my birthday. I had a really fun day. One of my favorites. Because ever since like we moved here, I don't really celebrate my birthday. Well, I don't celebrate my birthday with my family anymore. So it can get kind of lonely, but my husband makes up for it. Like, he makes sure I don't realize that no one is here. But one of my gifts that I really wanted for my birthday was a new desk setup so I can start editing, because the desk setup that I have, it was so small, and I want to do makeup as well, and there was just no room.
Wow! Look, this is my
Thing up. I just need to get my chair. So this is my outfit. Just a hat, crew neck. We're in Ikea, guys. It's actually pretty dead in here. I'm looking for a chair for my desk, but I kind of wanted to come up here and look for like other chairs, see what they had.
How much is that chair?
This is one I ordered.
Good. That's one. It's better. Is it up and down? That's better. Can you get this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's better.
But the only thing is I have to find a cushion cover because this is not comfortable. This is the one I'm getting. Okay, so I'm back from Ikea. It wasn't that packed today. I've seen it a lot busier, but you okay? Yeah, okay. I bought my chair. Here's my chair. And then I also got a pillow to put behind my back. And then I also got some dishware. My husband loves bowls, and I just like plates like this, but like with a little view to it. So I bought that, and then I got my husband more bowls. I want to get rid of our white ones because we've had them since we moved here, and I'm not really a fan of the white anymore. So I got black. I got black for my husband, black bowls. I wanted this. This color is so pretty. Hold on. So yeah, they're sold out of this one, and then they have like an like a beige. It's like says it's gonna be restocked in 2 weeks, so I'm going to get the entire set. Look at this. So nice. Oh my goodness. I just got one of my packages from Iherb. I've never ordered from this place before, but my sister said they're pretty good. We used to go to the General Earth store, but they closed down like the ending of last year. I only got like 4 things. So I got black seed oil. If you don't know about black seed oil, please do your research. It's legit the best thing you can have. I went ahead and got that. And then I got these women multivitamin supplements. And then I got multivitamin for my son. And then I got this. I want to start my fitness journey again. I need to get back on my fitness journey. And one thing that helped me with like bloating, like detox, like just cleaning my gut is this slim tea. I live by it, but try it at your own risk. This tea, everyone I've given this tea to was like, what the hell did you just give me? I warned them before they take it, but they still take it. Anyway, it really makes you go to the bathroom. Like, I'm talking diarrhea. After that, like if you consistently take the tea, you just have regular bowel movements. Your body gets used to it. It's called Slim Tea by, is it Kylie's? So this is what I'm wearing. We're about to go grocery shopping. All for my birthday vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had a wonderful day. Bye.